Hello everyone, welcome back again. It's your girl AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. Una sister don't come outside again with another top story with the for town, the latest in town now. The topic we want to talk about today now about our OBO. Mr. Davido, the Omo Babalowo, and his assurance fiancé, where they call Chioma. Now, the matter we want to talk about, so, una know Davido in a King Solomon now, he want even pass to Baba and Whiskey. So, in your baby mama don't they suburb, don't they surplus for inside this world. My people, una remember say na 2019 na Mr. Davido na he engage this fiancé wey they call Assurance. Assurance no be assurance again, my people. Na insurance na Davido can't get now. Assurance if they call the Chioma Assurance, my people, that one a lie. He don't get final insurance. He not secure this Omoibo, as Yoruba people they call us Omoibo. He not secure this Omoibo as insurance. You just secure and say assurance. That is if you do well, if you be my assurance for future. As I talk to una so, Davido the King Solomon, he don't finally find insurance. As I talk to una so, my people, Chioma cash am for another belle. The baby number 2, they come on the way, my people. That one a good news. Another one wey not good for inside. Another baby mama don't surface again. He don't surface again. I remember last year when this story still come up. Dr. Kemi Olunloyo no dey lie. He say Davido no fit marry Chioma. Why Chioma never follow and go America ever since then? Since when Davido they travel go America, he never one day mistakenly carry Chioma follow body. Why? Because Davido get wife wey he take get doku for America. I don't know how that one to be true too, but now our mommy, the blogger, Dr. Kemi Olunloyo, now he talk many years ago. You understand? So now he still bring this new come outside say many things they suburb for inside the Davido palace. My people, as I they talk so, another baby mama come outside. As I earlier tell una say last year the thing surface say person get belle for Davido. Immediately after Chioma don't give Davido baby boy wey be assurance, wey they wait for. You understand? I know say Davido first get 2 beautiful daughters with different mothers before. You understand? So since then, now this matter dey grand o. Okay, so even they talk to una so. For the past 2 years, Chioma the assurance they carry key holder, according to Mercy Johnson. He said my hand is not a key holder. Key holder na Chioma they carry up and down. Say Davido promise and say marriage. Igbo people be not the zoo like this. I don't know where Chioma for come out from Igbo land. Igbo people they know they do dolling business like this at all. My people, if na original Igbo girl, original Biafra girl, IPOB member, Davido for don't marry and now understand, my people. But I don't know where this our Ishi chief cook for come outside. You understand? Davido say waiting like about and I cooking and everything. My people, people thought say Chioma no need to even talk for the matter. She no need to vex. She no need to pack out of the relationship because she never married. You understand? Because of say she meet 2 people for the house. 2 ladies don't feel born for Mr. OBO before she finally
talking
come
about the video has another girlfriend. The video was single with another girl. What do you expect? The video is single. He's not married to any girl. Chioma is a baby mother. Simple as that. Don't let Chioma fool you guys like Chioma don't know what's going on. He's young. He's rich. He travels everywhere. Come on, man. And he's single. Chioma know the deal now. I'm not bother on herself like say when I don't know what they happen. Man, Davido na bad guy. Davido use that cucumber, convert a whole lesbian to straight. A whole lesbian convert to straight because of Davido cucumber. Davido, which agbo you drink? Send that give me for US now. Make me a take. I'm not talking. But that American girl no go take the video from Chama. We have to protest. It can never happen. Chama is our sister.
My people, una see the two video we play us now. The first one na Bright. His name na Bright. Una know King Bright. He say Chioma know everything. Say Davido is single. Davido never marry, including her. They never marry her. You understand? He says Chioma no get voice. Chioma no fit talk. Say she no know wetin they play. Just like you, the marry player. So you know go fit verse. So Chioma no need to verse. Now to just sit down, they look like dog name. Sit down, enjoy the money. You understand? So if I were you, Chioma, I go nowhere. You understand? Because your son now the first son for that palace. No, say Nigeria people sabi drag property well. Hey, your brother King Bright say me you not move an issue, me you sit down for there. Say this America girl no go fit collect your husband, your fiancé, sorry, slip of tongue, make husband. Fiancé, fiancé, no fit collect them from you. My people, Davido, Omo Babalowo, now only you, your papa, now only your papa get that money for that Nigeria. Chineke got the mo. Now only your papa get money for that Nigeria. Davido take am easy. Now the baby mama, now him be this, so my people. The baby mama number 4, it don't already land. When people bring out this video last year, say she get belle for Chioma fiancé, people don't believe and they say, this blogger don't still come out again. Make they not mind them this and this, that and that. She don't finally show a baby face come outside. He carry her come. May the whole world see and say, now Davido, na be the real papa. And the kind name where the girl constantly give pikin. Oh my God. The name, it shows say na Davido get am. Danson, na be the name. The D stand for David. Why the S-O-N come be son? Either son of David or David's son. And so she take name the name. My people. Hey, baby mama don't vein the face. This will not be even the first baby mama. That is, Davido get 5 to 6, but now only 4 don't give am children. Even one pass Oga 2 face Idibia. My people, not be only that one. Now they work out for inside social media now. A lot. Okpo, okbaje. According to Yoruba parable. Okpo baje. Okpo baje. So, and so I say my people, now I say I need to let una know. Say see what they happen for social media for the past 2 days now. Say Chioma fiancé don't finally bring another baby mama home. The girl say she not go fit stay America. Come they train pikin alone. So she need to eat from the national cake. Now I mean she can bring pikin, can't give Davido. Say and if you see the pikin, oh my God, you know find Chioma pikin. Even the girl and Chioma self, they even look alike a little bit. They look alike. My people, why Chioma go come agree like that? She go just dey house. They will come they marry on top of her. I never see that kind of thing before. Now because say she don't look good, abi she don't turn to Yelekute abi na waiting. She's still young. She's young. Why she go just tie herself down like that, my people? Davido, I hear you, Omo Babalowo. You really dey show for yourself. Make a yarn una story, another story where they trade for social media now. 1 minute, my people. Yes, so my people, this video when I want watch, so Now about Davido new latest girlfriend all the way from America. It was that they catch Davido, catch the girl. When two of them they spot come outside from one St. Marinton. So this lady una dey see so na lesbico. Una know wetin be lesbico. Okay, she na former ex-girlfriend of one American rapper wey dem dey call Young Ma. Dem be ex, the two of them fair be lazy. They no come dey again. So now Davido don use the cassava to turn the girl head back to the way God take create my people. According to the way this man take talk just now, Bright, he say the kind medicine wey Davido dey take, me still give am, me still say na come give am for America. You understand? For him to just turn lesbian to normal human being again. Oh my God. The name of the girl na be, her name na be Maya Yamfa, the ex-girlfriend that I earlier talked to, Young Ma. Na him be the latest fiancé to Omo Babalowo Obio. My people, they say now this one wan come take over Chioma, and not be even that baby mama wey even surface so, because with this one assurance full everywhere brekete. My people, the news don cast so for social media. Everybody don dey run the tasket and say wetin dey happen, wetin I dey hear, you never hear wetin dey happen. Davido don send Chioma packing o. Say he don find another America cute and beautiful, rich. Not be say Davido not rich o, but the same level. They say the same bed flows together. You understand? The same level. No, say Chioma na just say, oh my God. Now so I talk can reach you, my people. Now so I hear the matter reach you. So this girl where they talk so now, they say the girl may be the latest fiancé of the time. That is Davido fiancé where Davido want marry. So the girl gets his tattoo for body. How Davido take turn this girl brain to normal the way God take do create am? I don't know, my people, because I hear say the girl na liki. My people, una know that American rapper where I talk, where his name na Young Ma. Na former fiancé be this one. My people, as I dey talk now, Chioma don pack comot for Davido palace. Immediately this rapper enter town, Chioma is nowhere to be found. Davido tell am say, I be promise you say you be my assurance, but now, latest insurance don come o. Wonder shall never end. King Solomon, not be King David again, he na King Solomon. He even pack King Solomon. He don't bring the latest bobo all the way from Ame. But this Davido, your host is too much. It's too much. How many years you want to marry person? Just to say I do, carry and go meet the papa. Not be say you don't even get the money where Igbo people even they ask for bride price. Pata they will tell you say me pay 3 million for a head. May you pay 3 million as bride price, you get time. Why you call they waste our Chioma time? Igbo people no go agree o. You no know where you for go knock head. Na Igbo Biafra people. Hey, all those people they know they play with person here. That bride price. And no what you me no even understand. The parents even allow the girl to born put. I never see Igbo people where they born throw away like that without they never married them. I never see them like that. And Chioma be the first person. Like she lose her been waiting. I don't understand. My people, I don't understand. I bet all the Igbo me una talk put for this matter. Because if una not talk put, Davido go feel you continue. They maltreat una sister like this, before una go know, everybody will come bomb. Now small property will come reach your hand though. Now so I talk and reach na inside house for talk and my people. Now I say my just see should come up for the matter we still the rain. You understand? Because they pay me. Say na social Davido won't come do Chioma, you understand? So I don't got much to say. We'll see some other time. Bye everyone. See you in my next video, everyone. Choose.